Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of James Bond Bitcoin Live, episode 0069. 69 is a magic number. It's the gift that keeps on giving, apparently. And it's hashtag celebration. So it's a time to celebrate, apparently. Let me go in the note section, see what's in there. In the note section, I have a link to Kool and the Gang celebration. You could probably play that song while you're watching the price go up. Also, in the note section, I have beware of Bitcoin's possible incompatibility with some major services. This is coming from bitcoin.org. I'll go through that a little bit later. And then new time lock address. It's still available, and I'm actually spending it. And I'll show you how to use it if you're a little confused. And then I have the meme of today, also Pot of Gold, and of course, Hiroja Shibe's Space Odyssey Network. I have a link to her channel. I highly recommend that you check it out, subscribe, hit the alert bell, do whatever you need to do. But you should definitely listen to some of her podcasts, her videos. We had a chat yesterday. Sorry if I'm not sharing my screen. YouTube likes to change things here, but I'll be sharing it real quick right now. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do that. There we go. You're probably seeing my screen now. Here's the meme for today. And so when I made this meme, it was over 5,000 already, all-time high. I just labeled it 5,000 all-time high because it's a nice round number, something to remember. You never know. You might want to collect this someday. And so right now, I think the high was 5,800, somewhere around there, around that price. So that's, let me check here real quick. I'm gonna have to check again. Price moved very fast today, which is good. So on Bitstamp, the high was $5,846.40. It made a very long early, and so far it's just bouncing around. Current price is $5,645.84. And so let's read the meme. It's 5,000 all-time high. Hashtag yes2x. And what you're seeing here is a unicorn, apparently. And so unicorns do exist. So I've talked about the bear market, the bear run. I've talked about the bull market, the bull run. But have you ever heard of the unicorn market? That's right, the unicorn market. We are in a unicorn run. Anything above 5,000 is unicorn territory. So that's what's going on around here. So if you're wondering what's happening, I have a theory what's happening, and just hear me out. I've noticed that the total market cap, and I know some people don't like using the market cap, but it's something that I can measure and compare. And so let's have a look here. I'm refreshing the cryptocurrency market capitalization. Now, I'm looking at that, and we're very close to a total market cap of 170. It's actually $169 billion, I believe. Yeah, $1 billion. But what's interesting is that despite that increase back to almost 170, I think the all-time was 180, or very close to 180. Bitcoin's at an all-time high, but yet all the other altcoins and ICO tokens are not at the all-time high. They're not even close to an all-time high. So what you're seeing is a consolidation of the altcoin market and the ICO markets, and that's what's happening. And so, if you looked at not all of them, but a good majority of all the altcoins and ICO tokens are still on a downtrend. They're still trending down. So what you're seeing is you're seeing a consolidation in altcoins and ICO coins, or ICO tokens, I should say. So what's happening? All the money is basically all the value, all the stored value that was stored in these altcoins and these ICO tokens are leaving that market and apparently going to Bitcoin. Now, I've been hearing things like that, but after doing some analysis and just a light analysis, that seems to be true, because you can see the prices moving away from altcoins and ICO tokens into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's going up, everything else is trending down or sideways. Very few coins are actually moving with Bitcoin, very few. Okay, and so that's what's happening with that. And that's my theory, is that those markets are starting to downturn as Bitcoin's going up, and also potential hard forking, people buying in on the hard fork to get free coins. You typically see this with stocks in traditional markets, where before a dividend payout, you'll see a little bump in the price of that stock. Like, people buy in and they get their dividends and then they sell out. And is it worth doing that? Not really. I don't think it's worth doing that, because the amount of money that you lose out when the price comes back down from when you go try to buy into it for the dividend, it's not worth it. If you're going to go into a stock, a dividend paying stock, you might as well just go ahead and just buy it way before the dividend payout. You'll get it at a lower price. So that's what's happening in that market here. Let me see what else is going on here. So let's see what else. Okay, yes. Sorry if I don't see you in the chat. I'm on the share screen, so I'm not seeing you quite yet. I got here Pot of Gold. Still got that going on. Feel free to donate and also participate in the Pot of Gold. Try to crack the code, send some Bitcoins. And if you do, I'll try to give you a clue to the 24-word seed. Okay. So quickly go on that. Okay, this is the article that I wanted to share yesterday, Wednesday night, but I had a very long live stream with Hiroja Shibe Space Odyssey Network, and it was very long. It was good to talk to her. We're going to try to collaborate and maybe do some more things together. So stay tuned for that. But here's the Bitcoin.org website, and it says, beware of Bitcoin's possible incompatibility with some major services. And so I have a link in the notes section, and it talks about possible incompatibilities with some networks. And let's just go, it's everyone in the signers, the New York Agreement signers. Are we in the clear? Not quite yet. There's a lot of people that have spoken out. Apparently there's been the Korean Bitcoin meetup, and I've also seen some German meetups who have written open letters against the SegWit 2x hard fork. So does it help? I'm sure it does. So here's a quick view of it, just for you. There you go. So go ahead, the link's in the bottom, and go ahead and read it. So I wanted to share that, but didn't have a chance. So, and then we're back to the unicorn. So at this point in time, anything above 5,000, we are in a unicorn run. This is all unicorn territory. This is n- all new, all new territory. Uh, I don't know what to expect. The price has run up to all the way up to 5,800. If it's run up that high, uh, it's possible it can go to 6,000 by tomorrow. Definitely possible. I can be making another meme with a 6,000 all-time high. Hashtag yes2x. Probably another unicorn of some kind. So unicorns do exist if you believe. You just have to believe hard enough in it. And so there's a QR code on this meme. I think you'll find it very amusing and funny. Again, another unicorn subject. So, anyways, my 10 minutes are up. Let me stop sharing and see if I can go into the channel here. See if anybody's actually in the chat. So I'm not sure if anybody is. YouTube is changing things all the time. Now I can't even see the chat while I share my screen. Okay, looks like we do have some people here. Flapping Plimus. Brian, how you doing? Hiroja, good to see you. And then thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Like, dislike, leave a comment after the live stream, or even do a video response. Until next time, stay tuned. Bye.